Hello friends, this is your host Rakesh Kumar. In the previous video we had seen some doji candlesticks and how to trade them. In this video I am going to tell you about the most profitable candlestick, single candlestick pattern, which I believe is the most profitable strategy to trade with this candlestick. This is called bullish pin bar. Just to remind you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you can subscribe to it now to get the notifications of the latest video uploads. And if you find this video useful for you, then please consider pressing the like button, which is below the video.
But before we begin, let us have a look at the risk disclaimer. It states that the futures, stocks and the options trading involve substantial amount of risk. Your capital is at risk, the losses can exceed the investment. The information is provided as is, and the user of the information assumes the entire risk of any use it may make or permit to be made. So let's get started.
So friends, to start with, I just want to tell you what the bullish pin bar first is, and then we will see how to identify them on the chart. Well friends, it is a candlestick pattern, so you will have to look for the candlesticks, not the bars or the line charts. You have to look for the candlestick charts. So it represents a sharp reversal and rejection of price. The candlestick that we are talking about is the bullish pin bar, and it represents a sharp reversal and rejection of the price. What else does it show us? It also shows that the price will continue to move opposite to the direction the tail points. Now you might be thinking, what is this tail that he's talking about? So I will explain it to you just in a bit of moment. Just you remember that it represents a sharp reversal and rejection of the price. That is the first thing. The second thing is that the price will continue to move opposite to the direction where the tail points. Okay. And the next thing is that with the implication that the price will rise in the near term. Now we are talking about the bullish pin bar. It means that whenever we see a bullish pin bar, it will implicate that the price will rise in the near term. Okay friends. So this is how the bullish pin bar looks like. This is the real body of the candle. This is the wick, or you can say shadow of the candle. It can be green, I mean it may be a bullish candle or a bit bearish. The open and close may be above or below, that doesn't really matter, but it has a long lower wick, or also called as tail. It should be longer than that, twice of the size of the body at least. If you see that if the body would have same opening or closing, it will become a dragonfly doji. But we are talking about the bullish pin bar here, so we will restrict our discussion to this type of pin bars that I am showing you on the screen. Now let us see how they look like in the real market. We will try and open a chart. We will try to look for a daily chart. So how does a bullish pin bar look like? This is a bullish pin bar here. This one is the bullish pin bar on your screen. I'll just put it back. This is the bullish pin bar. Let us see if it resembles the same pattern that we have shown you in the presentation. Okay, it has a long wick, a small body which is green in color, and little or no shadow at all on the upper side. So yes, there is a small shadow on the upper side, but that is almost negligible. So this is a type of pin bar that is known as bullish pin bar. And you can see after the bullish pin bar is formed, the price starts moving in a direction which is, as we just mentioned, opposite. Will continue to move opposite to the direction the tail points. In this case, the tail was pointing down south, so the price started moving northwards. It is as simple as it is. Also, it represents a sharp reversal and rejection of price. Yes, it is happening here. The price was going down, and from here there was a sharp reversal and the price started moving upwards. Now also, it also says that the price will rise in the near term. Because we are talking about the bullish pin bar, so the price will keep rising in the near term. Not always, but in the near term at least it will keep rising. So that is what it tells us. But wait, how to trade using this bullish pin bar? That is also a question in our mind, and I want to explain that in this video. See that okay, I'll draw it here. First of all, you have to note that bullish pin bar occurs after a downtrend. If it is a reversal, okay, of course. If your bullish pin bar is somewhere here, if your bullish pin bar is somewhere here like this, then what does it mean? That the price has been rejected from the downside. Okay, the price has been rejected from the downside. So this is where the price is closing right now. So what we will do is we'll keep a buy stop order above the high of this candle, above the high of this bullish pin bar, and we'll keep a stop loss below this. And of course we will take this trade only if we see that there is a probability of the price going above in this direction, where the resistance is so far that the stop loss should be 1/3 of the total price projection. This is another thing which is a part of risk management, but this is one type of entry when you are trading it from the supports, or whenever you are trading it from the yes, of course, whenever you are trying to trade it in the reverse direction. Okay, whenever you are expecting a reversal. Now there is another aspect where you can trade the bullish pin bar, and that is in the continuation. Now what does happen in that continuation is the price is trending upwards, then you see a pullback coming. In the pullback somewhere you see that there is a bullish pin bar forming. In the pullback you see that the bullish pin bar is forming at some Fibonacci level, or maybe at some level which you think is the support area. Now most probably you will see something like this, that the pair has retraced back and then shown a bullish pin bar, something like that, and then from here you again keep the same idea, that you keep a buy stop above the high of this pin bar and go in the direction of the trend. So this is in the direction of the trend. We are expecting a pullback from here, continuation of the trend from here. That is how you will trade this pin bar in this case. In this case also your stop loss will be below the low of the pin bar, and your take profit should be 3 times at least for this. In the next video I will try to show you some examples of bullish pin bars from the live market, but I have to tell you that if you are taking the reversal trades, then you have to take them from the key levels. Now what are those key levels? Key reversals, well, they are weekly support and resistances. Now how to draw weekly supports and resistances I have already described, but just to give you one example, let us open a chart which we have never seen. Okay, we will open, say okay, euro against GBP. Now we will see where are the weekly supports and resistances. It is simple, so simple. From where was the inflection point? So the recent inflection point was here and here. That's it. We don't have to go deep. Now from these inflection points, because we are not trading a trend, here is no trend. Okay, there is no trend here. So the daily chart is choppy. So what we are expecting, whenever the price reaches this area, these two areas, we will be looking for the bullish or the bearish pin bar. Bullish pin bar we will be looking for. So whenever the price reaches this region, we will be looking for a bullish pin bar. Okay, and bearish pin bar I will talk later. So this is the whole idea. Let us see from the past. Okay, from the past, I have not seen this chart on the right side, but let us see that this is the resistance for the price here, and this is the support for the price here, Let us see if the price reacts to these levels or not. It is reacting on the upper side, but on the lower side no. I'm sorry. You see this resistance here? Do you see this resistance here? The price got rejected from here, then it found resistance here, then it broke it and then found resistance here. Okay, now this level, not here, but this level here is providing resistance to the price, and then support here, and then support here, and then after getting rejected again from this price, the price found support in this region again in the form of bullish pin bar. You see this? And then there was a continuation. So what I'm trying to say is that you do not trade bullish pin bar just anywhere in between. Okay, the pin bar should form at the support or resistance level to be a good trading opportunity, whether it's a reversal trade or whether it is an uptrend. Whenever you're trying to take it in an uptrend, you try to go with the dynamic supports and resistances like the moving averages. Like I use 10 and 20 periods moving averages. Now since we are talking about uptrend, so whenever in an uptrend we see a pullback to the price, if we see a bullish pin bar, something like this sort of bar is a bullish pin bar, and also this one is also a bullish pin bar. So whenever the price comes in as a pullback and then goes out again from the two moving averages and close considerably out of those 10 and 20 periods moving averages, that means now there is a buying coming in, and now you can easily go for long in this market. So you see in this case the stop loss is also very small, and your take profits you can keep anywhere 3 to 4 to 5 times. So that's all for the bullish pin bar, my friends. I will be talking about the bearish pin bar in the next section. Thank you very much for watching this video.